Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. This video is just not to teach anything, but to confirm that you don't have a problem with your phone, but WhatsApp, Facebook, and Twitter, and no, on Twitter, what they call Instagram, they're all off. You can see I can click on any video on what? On YouTube, and the videos are playing. It means YouTube is fine. I can go to amazon.com. Let me see. Internet's a bit slow, but it's gonna be fine. Well, let me go to rt.com. This is your Amazon. It took a while to, but it's here. So RT is going on. But if I click on, you can see even Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram are all down in major worldwide outage. You can see even they tell you here. I thought my phone had a problem. It's not my phone. It's this app. So in this video, you're gonna see what we're talking about. It's let me see. WhatsApp. Okay. WhatsApp web. When I click on it, you're gonna see what they're gonna give us. We can also go to Facebook. You can see it says 5XX server error. I don't know if these platforms are being brought down by hackers or something wrong with it. You can see maybe something wrong with their servers or something happened. We don't know. But worldwide, I even thought it's in South Africa only, but even other countries. So we can say Instagram.com. Something went wrong, also this. So you see like Facebook and WhatsApp, they've showed that they don't have, you can't access them. So it happened, I think, let me check my messages, the last messages. I switched off the phone, I updated my, yeah, it happened around 6 p.m. in, that is South African time. I don't know, in the UK, I think it happened around 8 p.m. So that's the thing. So this video just to confirm that you don't have a problem with your WhatsApp or whatever, but the stress is the platform. So we're gonna keep on coming on the platform and see if it's fine. You get me? So let me get something. Yeah, still let me get to BBC. BBC here. BBC is working. Can go to any site like Google boy.co.za. It's fine. I think also it's fine. This is something maybe we will know after hours when they come back. But in real life, my internet's a bit slow. So you see, this is something which is going on. So this is working perfect. So there's no way that it's this thing. So I'm gonna keep on coming, but I don't think it's gonna be fixed now. It's something which can take time. So since it's like this, also Instagram gives you the same error message WhatsApp brings. Facebook brings a different one. See, this is WhatsApp, this Instagram. Then let me see BBC if they talk about it. BBC. Yeah, they talk about it. Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram suffer outrage. Okay. I wonder if they're gonna disclose the cause. Hit by last more than 1 hour. Understand? All three services are owned by Facebook and could not be accessed over the web or smartphone apps. Yeah. Also, my app doesn't work. On the phone, it doesn't work. So same thing. They said down data, which tracks outages, logged near 80,000 reports for WhatsApp and more than 50,000 for Facebook. Okay, data from the website suggests the outage is affecting user accounts across the world. Some people also reported problems using Facebook's virtual reality headsets platform. Okay, Oculus. So this is something we know. I wasn't aware, but as we speak, I'm doing this video. These platforms are off. But don't worry, I'm sure they're gonna fix it, because the more they are down, the more they lose customers, the more they lose money. That's something which happens almost, or which can happen to each and every person. So no one is safe. You can hear tomorrow that Google's down, YouTube is down, BBC is down, all those big sites. Sometimes they don't tell what happened really. As long as you see it working, you do your stuff. So what I did, I went and update. I thought I didn't have data. Updated my WhatsApp. If you go to updates, it's gonna update, but it won't open. The last messages I sent, they are not working. So they didn't go anyway. Unfortunately, I can't show you on the phone because I'm recording my screen. You get me? Computer screen. So guys, don't worry. It's gonna be back soon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.